Hello, Yimika here with a opening of the Mimikyu box. Hello, Mimikyu here with me. I got my other one here. I'm in my other room, as you can tell, all the back. Look how cute it is. Picked this up today. I get the Raichu on the Nikon Rock. I think it comes out in the next few days, or in May, I think. Then I get the booster box of the Neuro Sun and Moon packet. Love how the pin is. Should have got two. Then I could put one on my bag and one for put my pin collection. Oh wow. Let's open. What were you barking at before, Riku? Oh, wreck the box. Open. That is so cute. Put that there. Mimikyu can sit there for now. See if he wants to sit there. Yes. Very good. He can stay there. There's 3 booster packets. If I can open it. Yeah. Look at how cute it is. It's so cute. Mimikyu. Might just buy another one just to put it on my bag. I've got 3. Ooh. One is Fates Collide, and the other 2 are Sun and Moon. I'll open the Fate Collide one first. See what we get. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty cool. Different Snorlax. Well, my desk is very small. I don't have much room. Snorlax. Wigglytuff. Juglon. Zorua. I'll end with Zorua. Fennekin. Lolita. That one. Meowth. Shiny Energy. That's pretty cool. Open this one. This over here. 2, 3, 4. Little Energy. Got Team Skull. Skarmory. Caterpie. Sand Pokemon. Bitten and Beware. And the 3rd packet. Stop growling. Stop growling. One, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Hollywell. Eevee, Crab Pokemon, Sun, Diglett, Talon, Dragonite's pretty cool. And then I got Incineroar, very shiny. I've got one of these ones already in one of my other packets. That's still pretty cool. So shiny. Now I think this one might be a different one to the one I've got. I don't know, but it's cool. And I gotta show the Mimikyu card. Look how cute it is. Finally got Mimikyu. It's a little bit shiny as well, which is pretty cool. Well, that's the box opening for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. The next video, I'm hoping it would be my unboxing from the box that me and Jody sent to each other, because she's already got hers, but Australian Post is so slow, so the post from her to me has taken a while, so hopefully that's here tomorrow because it didn't arrive today, which is sad because I really wanted to open it, but I have to wait, so hopefully soon. Anyway, thank you again. Bye bye.